Thank you for the support. So, ngayon, we will discuss the stock market price movement ngayong araw. This only disclaimer. It's only educational purposes to check where is the support and the resistance. This is only insight and this is not recommended for buying. Uh, it's up to the traders because each trader have different risk management. So now, shout out to Swin Lim and to Engineer Edwin Bilan and to Armanico Manuel. Thank you for your support. To John Marching and Ralph Levy Morano and Minard Castro and Ivan Dave Iwakiri and Candy May Reyes and Dave Maipan and to Engineer Peter Bergonio. Thank you. And today we will go to the chart. We will check the price movement of the Philippine Stock Exchange Index ngayong araw. So let's go to the chart. So this is the PCI chart for today. The PCI umangat po siya ng 0.81% ngayong araw. So as we discussed last Saturday, kailangan ma-break ni PCI itong incline resistance. Itong line na ito. Because there are how many days this line, dito po nauntog yung price ni PCI. As we discussed last Saturday, kailangan ma-break ni PCI itong incline resistance. And today na break po ni PCI. So what we will check with PCI, we need to see the horizontal we will see the horizontal line for the PCI. Tignan natin yung minor resistance ni PCI. So kung tingnan natin dito sa chart, itong area, yung area na yan, ay minor resistance ni PCI, itong blue line. Tignan natin itong blue line. So this line, this is a minor resistance, horizontal resistance ni PCI. So na-break na yung inclined line, but when we see there is another horizontal line, this is also a resistance. Because here, it's acting as support. Dito nauntog yung price, and this area also. So now, the price is trying to break this horizontal resistance, but there is a small rejection for that area. But we need to see tomorrow because the candle of the PCI is still bullish. So if ever this horizontal resistance ay ma-break ni PCI, it is good because the possibility PCI will go up to this resistant, next resistant above, no? This line here. So this is the possible direction ni PCI if this horizontal resistance ay ma-break bukas. So maganda po ito pag ma-break ni PCI because this is the next possible direction of the Philippine Stock Exchange Index. The previous resistant line, this line. So sana ma-break ni PCI tomorrow. But if ever hindi ma-break ni PCI, dapat this horizontal support ay mag-hold bukas dito na area. And dapat hindi siya babalik dito sa loob sa may incline resistant. Kasi kung babalik yan, dito naman yan pupunta sa may area na ito, dito na horizontal line below. So, we need to watch, no? If there's a breakout, it's good. This is the next possible direction for PCI. So this is only my opinion, but we will check the next price movement of the PCI. But if there is no breakout of this horizontal resistance above, we will check that this horizontal and this incline support ay still mag-hold. And dapat hindi siya babalik dito sa may loob ng below on this incline line. Because the possible direction, it will go back to this horizontal support below. So dapat mag-stay si PCI and ma-break na yung resistant line above. So now there is a request for today. There is a BPI, Chelsea, which is the stock symbol is C. The one is dito, no? Is the hottest stock for today. Gsmi, SPC and MEH, and now Corporation and Alco. Because they're asking why dito is climbing and now is going down. Last time when dito going up, now also going up. But now they have a separate direction now. Dito going up and now Corporation going down. Thank you for watching. This is live. Happy New Year. Kumusta po yung New Year diyan sa Germany? Thank you. To our Manico Manuel, thank you also. Now let's go to the first request, BPI. We know BPI, this belong to financial sector because it is a bank, no? Bank of the Philippine Islands. BPI, if you see BPI today, ay umangat po siya ng 1.29% ngayong araw. Now, we're still holding on this support. If we throw a minor support on this line, this area, nag-hold po si BPI on this horizontal support line. So, dapat mag-hold si BPI on this line and he will break this incline resistance, this line. So, as we know, if this is resistant, this is the area of the seller. So now, if you see the price movement of the BPI, when BPI going up last November up to this candle up to 92, no? The high price of BPI is 92 pesos per share. umabot po siya din sa may area na yan. But there's a strong rejection and there's a pullback and he tried to going up again but hindi na bumalik yung price ni BPI above on this previous high. So it means there is a loss of momentum and we need to try again to check if he will break this resistance below, but still there's a rejection and the price is going back on this line. Now we try to going up again and now if you see the price is continue going down. No, the every time when there is a bounce, the price not break did not break this incline resistance. So we need BPI to break this incline resistance because kung hindi ma-break ni BPI, there's a possibility that this horizontal support, this minor horizontal support, ay ma-break ni BPI and then he will go back to this line. And take note that when this time, when the price ay umabot dito sa area na ito, this is become a bearish pattern. So, dapat ma-break ni BPI this incline resistance para magiging maganda po yung takbo ulit ni BPI. But if BPI ma-break po ni itong incline resistance, we will check the next horizontal resistance above this line. Pero maganda, BPI umabot dito sa may area na ito. Kung umabot si BPI diyan, for example, ma-break ni BPI yung incline resistance and the price will go back on this area, area, BPI ay sa tingin ko maganda po pag umabot siya diyan. But for now, we need BPI to break this incline resistance and this horizontal resistance. But dapat hindi niya ma-break itong horizontal support, this horizontal line, kasi pag ma-break yan, dito yan pupunta sa may next horizontal line below. So that is my thought for BPI. Now let's go to the next one is C. Chelsea. We will check the price movement of Chelsea. Si Chelsea ay nag-bounce po dito sa may Gsmi 100, this orange line. So if we see the price movement of Chelsea, this incline support ay nag-bounce po siya dito and going up. And now there is and then he go retracement and hindi na nag-bounce dito sa may incline support dito na area. And there is a breakout and then the price going to Gsmi 100. And there is a bounce again and now he's hitting this incline line. This incline line. It's become a resistance. So for me, this is my thoughts only for C. If ever C will climb back again above on this area, kung babalik si Chelsea siya diyan sa above this area, and above this inclined line, it's okay for C. Dapat mag-hold naman siya dito sa line na ito kung bumalik siya above on this resistant line. So, and then we will check if this inclined support ay mag-hold. If ever babalik si Chelsea above on this horizontal resistance, and the next target is this next resistance line above this area, this line. And if there is a accumulation in this area, it is good for Chelsea. If ever we will going back above on this horizontal resistance and mag-hold siya dito sa may incline support. But if ever tomorrow ay hindi siya tumutuloy diyan sa may above on this horizontal resistance, then we will see next price movement of Chelsea going to this direction. So, we need to watch. Kung pupunta siya sa may direction na yan, we will see where is the EMI 20, this blow line. Dapat yung price above EMI 20. So, we'll watch C for tomorrow. If we see MACD, MACD is below the zero line, but he's trying to cross again the signal line. But if we see the ADX still below 25, so this is not trending. So the strength is weak going up. So now, this is my thoughts for C. Dapat babalik si C above on this horizontal resistant line, this line. Thank you for watching Armanico Manuel, and this is live, and Engineer Ibn Bilan, and Swin Lim, thank you. Doi Gsmi Napulag, thank you very much. Now, next one is dito. This is only my opinion, but it is depend on the trader. We know that dito, this is the third telco of the Philippines. And now, telco, this dito now is going up. When he break this previous high, this area, when dito break this resistance line, pataas po siya diretso, no? It's like a 90-degree. And now if you see the RSI, RSI is 92.09. So as we discussed previous discussion, if the RSI is above 70 to 80, it is lightly overbought. If it is above greater than 80, it is this is a overbought, no? Lightly overbought and heavily overbought if it is above 80. So now it is 92. So we will check We will apply another indicator, Bollinger Band. Now the price is still above the Bollinger Band. So just check if the price going inside the Bollinger Band, we'll expect that there is a correction of the price. But it's depend, no? Kung magsa-sideways siya or uh, mag-retrace yung price ni dito, if ever there is a retracement. So it's depend on the trader, no? If you are long-term investor, your uh, goals is long-term investment, so you can buy if there is a drop, no? Another if there is a retracement of the price. So, but for now, if you are a trader, for me, from for my own opinion, I will wait if there is a retracement of the price. Because now it's 90 degree. So, and the RSI is above 92. So this is prone for retracement. But if you have position, just hold your position because still there is a momentum going up. But kung papasok pa lang kayo dito, for me, this is not the right time to buy, especially the RSI is above 80. And now it's become 92. So it's very hard, no? If there is a retracement of the price, of course, may iwanan po kayo diyan sa may area na yan. So, but it's depend on you, no? As I said, every investor and every traders have different trading style. So for me, I am position trading or swing trading trader, so I will not go for this one. Especially, I have no time to watch the market uh, in a whole day, no? So for me, I will wait if there is a retracement for this price. So it depends, huh? It's depend on your risk management. But for me, as I said, as a swing trader, I will wait if there is a retracement of the price. So because it is overbought, so you need to wait if there is a retracement because it is prone for retracement. Just like in this area here, if we see the RSI in this area is 92 also. So we need to see if there is a sideways movement again dito. If we see volume, the volume here, the price is going up, but the volume is lesser than yesterday. So we will see tomorrow if there is a. I am sure it will be going up because the candle today is napaka bullish yung candle, napaka solid yung candle ni dito. But for me, I will not go with this. As a swing trader, I will wait if there is a retracement. So this method for dito. Thank you for watching, Engineer Ryan Lasaka. Thank you very much. So that is my thought for dito. If you have position, hold your position. If you buy it in the bottom because there's a possibility the price will go up again tomorrow. But for those uh, gusto pang bumili, For me, I will not buy dito until and then if there is a retracement. I will wait. As I said, it is already overbooked, greater than 80. It is 92 percent. So now, the next one is Nebra San Miguel. Miguel. This is the next request. And to Islam, Udin Tuyub Ali and Tariq Abdullah Sheikh and Gulpam Jabbar Pari. Now I will remove the Bollinger Band. So for dito, use Bollinger Band. If there is the price going inside the Bollinger Band, expect there is a retracement of the price, either going down or going sideways. For now, if you see Hinebra San Miguel, so this area here, this line, there are two times this line dito nag-bounce po yung price. And this is the third time. But there is a breakout on this area. So nag-down po si Gsmi, si Nebra San Miguel, and is bouncing here in the EME 50. So if you notice, most of the price bouncing in this EME 20 and EME 50. So kung makita niyo dito, yung blue line, this is the EME 20, exponential moving average 20. And for the red line, this is exponential moving average 50. So mostly the price bouncing in EME 20 and EME 50. So we already discussed this one about exponential moving averages. Now, the price is bouncing here and he is up by 3.4 pesos per share, no? 3.4 pesos today. He is up by 6.88, but nauntog po siya dito sa may incline line. This incline line is the previous support. Take note if the previous support, kung ma-break po yung support na yan, it become resistant. So vice versa, no? If the resistance ay ma-break, then when there is a price retracement going to the previous resistance, it will become a support. So in this case, Hinebra San Miguel, na-break po niya itong area dito na yung line, yung incline support, then now it's act as a resistance. If tomorrow, the opening price and the closing price ay hindi ma-break po itong horizontal resistance, we will expect that there is another sideways movement of Hinebra San Miguel going to this area. This is my thoughts only for Hinebra San Miguel. If the closing price tomorrow ay hindi ma-break po itong horizontal line, this resistance, and this incline line, this is the possible direction of Hinebra San Miguel. So we need to wait if there is a accumulation on this area. Titingnan natin dyan. But if there is a breakout, wait if there is a retest of this resistance because it will become support. So just monitor the price movement of Pinay San Miguel tomorrow. So this is my insight for Pinay San Miguel. So the next one is PC. As we know, it's last previous months, this SPC ay taas ng taas po yung price ni SPC. As you notice here, there is a sideways movement and there's accumulation in this area. When the price break this line, which is called as resistance, dahil nauntog po siya diyan, nauntog siya dito, nauntog siya diyan, and of course, this is the resistance area. This is a seller's area. So when there is accumulation in this area, the price break this resistance and continue going up to this area. And now there is we put the inclined support, but this inclined support ay hindi na nag-hold on this area. So there is a retracement of the price going to EMI 20 and EMI 50, this red line. So if you see now, there is a bounce on this red line area. So going up and trying to hit, and he's trying to visit the previous high, and now again it's going down. So if we see now the price movement of SPC, for me, my insight, I will wait this green line, this is the EMI 200. Exponential moving averages 200. For me, I will wait if there is price retracement going to this EMI 200. So, iintayin ko yan unless the price will go back above on this horizontal line, this resistance. This is the support. There is 2 times na nag-bounce yung price ni SPC, but last December 22, 23, 28, the price break this horizontal line. So now, if ever there is a bounce, we will see this line if ma-break ni SPC. If ever hindi ma-break ni SPC, then we will see another retracement going to EMI 200. So we will watch if this direction ay mangyari po ni SPC. But if there is no bounce in this area because there is nag-hold yung price dito sa may area na ito kanina. So tingnan natin dito, there is nag-hold po yung price kanina sa area na ito, no? So we need this area. Kung mag-hold man yan, there is a possible bounce going to this area, this line. And if there is a rejection, because it is now become a resistance, we will see this movement going down on this area. And we need to see EMI 200. Always check the EMI 200. So this is my thought for SPC Power Corporation. Thank you very much, Shane Madrid. Thank you for your support. Thank you very much. So this is my thoughts for SPC. If there is a bounce, check on that horizontal resistance. If there is a rejection, and if there is a rejection, possible direction, it will go down again. And check the EMA 200, the green line, if there is a bounce. The last defense for SPC now is EMA 200. If ever the price will go down below EMA 200, this is the start of a downtrend of SPC. So we need SPC. As we discussed about moving averages, if the price is now below AMA 20 and AMA 50, but above AMA 200, we call as a retracement. So there is a trend and adjustment. But if the price will go back below the AMA 200, the green line, of course, the price is below all the exponential moving averages. So we call as weak trend. So this is the start of a downtrend. So for me, we need to watch if there is a bounce in AMA 200 because this is the last moving averages. This is the last defense of SPC. So the next one is MEH. I have two now remaining. MEH. So shout out to Jonathan and Coach Barques and El Espiritu, and to Engineer Cass Richard Lorono and Engineer Eric Lomontad. Now, this is the price movement of MEH. So if we buy this stock, we need to be aware of what is the next movement of the price. Here, if you see here, price is going up, and now you buy, for example, if you buy on this area, so where is the price now? It is here. So we need to be aware if there is a breakout of the support. Kasi hindi po natin alam what is the next price movement of the price. If ever hindi na siya babalik, so what we will do? So now, the price is going up in this area 2 times and 3 times now. So this area now is a strong resistant line of MEH, Metro Alliance Holdings. There is a rejection, first rejection on this area. This is the support because this area is, there is a, nag-hold po yung price dito sa area na ito, so it is a support. But when the price is going down, it will become resistant. So that is why the price hitting on this area, there is a rejection. Again, there is a rejection. And this is the third time there is a rejection. So what we do now for MEH, I will draw a line. I will try to draw an inclined line. I will project this line from this area going to this area. So now if you see, there is a bounce on this area. So it's clear that this area is a support area. So kung makita ninyo ngayon yan, nag-bounce dito, now nag-bounce dito, so it means this is support. This area nag-bounce, this area and this area nag-bounce. But for me, I will not buy MEH, my opinion, because the price now is below all the exponential moving averages. So as we know, these moving averages, this line, this red line, blue line, orange line, green line, this is the one we call as exponential moving averages. When the price from uh, the rejection of this resistance going to the moving averages, there is a bounce, no? Because exponential moving averages will act also as support. So para din support yan, no? Now when the price going down, now the price is below the exponential moving averages. So this moving averages will act as a resistance. So what for me, I will wait if there is if the price will go up above AMA 20, this blue line. And kung mag-stay siya sa may area na ito, no, this horizontal support, I still mag-hold. I will wait if the price go back above AMA 20. So this is the time I need to watch the price movement of MEH. If the price going back above this blue line, AMA 20. Because if not possible, this incline support ay ma-break po ni MEH. So this method for inside for MEH, I will wait that there is if the price will go up above again, no, again above the blue line, AMA 20. Provided that the price will stay above the incline support. Thank you for the support. This is live uh, in Germany. Thank you very much. And to see in Madrid. And Engineer Ryan Lasaka, thank you very much. So I have now remaining two. The next one is now corporation. We know that now corporation is going up, and last previous months, no, we have a separate direction. Now it's going down. If we see the price movement of now, it is now below AMA 50, this red line. So the last support we need to watch for now, because this incline support ay hindi nag-hold. Na-break po niya dito sa may last December 22. So the price is going down. This is the support, strong support that we need to watch, this horizontal support. We need to watch if there is a bounce in this area. If ever there is a bounce, we need to see this incline, this horizontal resistance. This line, if there is no rejection. But if there is a rejection, and this horizontal support I'm a break, we need to see possible movement and AMA 20, AMA 200. So we need now corporation to stay above on this horizontal support, this line. Okay, but if the price will go back above on this line, it is good for now corporation. If you will go back in this area. But for now, give away muna. Wait for the price if there is a bounce on this horizontal support area. Kasi nasa baba na po ng MA 50, if ever the price will go back above MA 20, it's good. But for now, the price is below MA 20. We know it is already called as trend in adjustment. So we need to watch the last support, this horizontal support, dapat mag-hold si Now Corporation in this area. If there is a bounce, we need to see this resistance if there is no rejection. Because if there is a rejection, of course, the price will go back again to this horizontal support below. So this is my thought for now corporation. So the last one is Alco. If you see Alco, he is down by 3.08% today. So kung tingnan natin ngayon, nandito po si Alco sa may support area. So this line is resistant. Why we call that resistant? Because there is a rejection. Nauntog po yung price, hindi nakatuloy. There is a pullback. And again, the price trying to go back above, and then again, there is a rejection. Go back again, there is a rejection. And then again, going this area, there is a rejection. Now, when the time break this horizontal support resistance, the price is going up. And now there is a pullback, and now he is hitting on this line. We know that this line is the previous resistance of Artalan Corporation. So this is the area we need to watch. This line, if hindi ma-break ni Alco itong line na ito. Because if Alco ma-break po itong line, this horizontal support, this is the time Alco will go back below all the exponential moving averages. But we need to see, because this area is the previous strong resistance of Alco. So dapat mag-hold si Alco dito na area. So if we see here, there's a rejection here. So we need to see, no, na mag-hold itong line na ito ni Alco. So if you have if you buy Alco, you need to take care and watch carefully that the price will stay above on this horizontal support. Because if this support and ma-break po ni Alco, of course, Alco will go down below all the exponential moving averages. And take note, this horizontal support is the previous strong resistance of Alco. So dapat hindi po ma-break ni Alco itong area na ito. So now, if we draw a line, you can draw a line, always inclined line. This is only a reference line. Reference lang po itong linya na ito. So dapat, diyan lang maglalaro si Alco above on this inclined support. Kasi kung babalik yan dito, we need to see if there's a bounce going up to this inclined line. But if Alco will stay above on this line, then it's good for Alco. But we need to watch carefully that this horizontal support ay hindi ma-break ni Alco. So, this is my thoughts for Alco. So I hope if you have questions, just put your comments in the comments box. We will discuss that one. So in the stock market, we need to study the technical analysis. If you are a trader, no? If you are a trader, then you need to study the technical analysis. Even your purpose is investing, long-term investing, the one I discussed during the presentation last Saturday, we need to see also every drop of the price. This time you need to buy if you are a long-term, if your purpose is long-term investment. But if your purpose is trading, then you need to see every time if there's a swing of the price going up. So this is the time you need to take your profit because your purpose is only trading. So in trading, There is a called as scalper, and they are the professional trader, and they are also a daily traders. There is a swing traders. So these people are mixing here in the stock market. So that's why we need to learn. We need to study the correct entry of the price where the buyers is in aggressive. So we need to watch always if the buyers in aggressive. So it's good. This is the time we need to see if we can ride because we are just a small investor, small traders, and we need to watch if the people, investor, the big investors, so going inside. Then this is the time we need to ride in also. So this is very important. The technical analysis. So in the stock market, there are two. There is a fundamental analysis and technical analysis. Technical analysis, we can see the price movement of a certain stock or certain companies. In fundamental analysis, this is the news about uh, their if they have a gain or they have profit, quarterly profit. So this is fundamental. No? If they are a project, this is included in the fundamental analysis. I will show to you also about fundamental analysis where we can check it. We can check it every companies, but not here in the technical chart. We have another uh, we call as PEC Edge. We can check their companies about their fundamental uh, analysis. So before I will go, I am very thankful to the viewers today, to Swin Lim, Chris Min, thank you, Dave, to Engineer Edwin Bilan, to Armanico Manuel, thank you, and I hope you learn about the stock market. I know that you are young, so you have a big chance to uh, study this stock market. This is only for the purpose of we have a financial freedom in the future. Uh, to Sister This is Life, thank you very much. You are very supportive. Thank you very much for your support. To Engineer Ryan Lasaka, thank you very much also. To Shane Madrid and to all the supporters. No? Thank you very much, all of you. And once again, Happy New Year. Sana we are enjoy. Masaya po tayo ngayong taon. Mawawala na yung mga problema, no? About our society, ang nangyayari ngayon. So sana, so we just pray. No? Always pray, always. Malampasan natin tong crisis ngayon. So that's all for today. Thank you very much and God bless us all always.